What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about the MagSafe wireless car charger. This is SODI C50, and you know what? At this moment this SODI C50 costs even less than 30 US dollars. Considering the performance, the price is actually on a lower side. Well, as usual, we will start from unboxing and then we will talk about the features and performance. But before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, I know outlook and appearance is subjective, but what about build quality? This SODI C50 is built with aluminum alloy, ABS materials, and tempered glass. That means this car wireless charger has a very sturdy build quality. Not only that, the aluminum frame actually also works as a heatsink, so this car charger never gets heated and it even restricts the phone from getting heated. The engineers of this brand, they have intelligently designed this product, so there are a lot of cutouts, there are a lot of curves, and all the materials are premium materials. So yeah, somehow they have managed to eliminate the heating issue. Yeah, SODI C50 supports all the iPhones which are compatible with MagSafe. Not only that, we can also use this SODI C50 MagSafe 15W wireless charger with almost all the MagSafe compatible protective cases. Here comes my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and yeah, I love the protective case. It's a MagSafe compatible protective case. Check this. If you are someone who doesn't use a protective case, then you will also be able to use this MagSafe 15W wireless charger. And there is another thing I like about this car wireless charger. There is a very well integrated LED light. When the wireless charger is not in use, the light will always be on and it's green. Once we put a compatible phone on it, once the phone starts getting recharged, the light will turn blue and there is a breathing effect. That's really gorgeous. Another great thing is we can also 360-degree rotate our smartphone on this wireless charger. Well, let me talk about three very important things. The first thing is, as it is a MagSafe wireless charger, I was worried about the strength of the magnets. After using this SODI C50 MagSafe 15W wireless car charger for a few weeks now, I'm super satisfied that yeah, it comes with a set of strong magnets. The phone always firmly stays in its place. We need to use a bit of a force to detach the phone from the wireless charger. That's a good thing. And when you want to put the phone on the wireless charger, as there is a set of strong magnets, we actually don't need to align it correctly. What I need to do is to just put the phone nearby and the magnets will align the phone automatically. The second thing is safety, because you know I use a spec'd out iPhone 15 Pro Max along with a limited edition spec'd out Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Each of these phones costs more than 1,500 US dollars, so yeah, I need to make sure that the charger I am using is safe enough. I have thoroughly tested. SODI C50 comes with a lot of safety measurements like overcharge protection, over discharge protection, over temperature protection, over voltage protection, over current protection, over amperage protection, and many other. So this SODI C50 MagSafe wireless charger keeps our phone away from any damage. The third thing I like about this SODI C50 MagSafe wireless charger is its versatile compatibility. Yeah, it has a very wide range of compatibility. You will be able to use this SODI C50 MagSafe wireless charger almost with any smartphone which either is MagSafe compatible by itself or by putting a MagSafe compatible protective case on the phone. It's really very easy to install this MagSafe wireless charger, and as this one comes with a USB-C port, it's also very easy to power up the charger using a USB-C cable. So yeah, from my excitement, you can easily understand how much I like this wireless charger. Moreover, I really don't like to use very heavy wireless chargers on my car's air vent because in the long run, that type of wireless chargers actually damages the air vent. So the C50 MagSafe wireless charger weighs around 119 grams. That's really one of the lightest considering that it is built with aluminum alloy. That's truly an amazing thing. It also has a very small footprint. It's pretty thin, even in the thickest part, it's 24.7 millimeters thick. That's really amazing. Oh, wait, have I used the word amazing so many times? It's because SODI C50 is actually an amazing wireless car charger, as you don't need to pull any arms or press any button to secure our smartphone on the charger. It's really very easy to use this MagSafe wireless charger. What we have to do is to put our phone on the charger and it gets aligned and the phone will firmly stay on its place. Fly, fly, fly away, fly away. It's not gonna fly. I was like worried at the beginning. Will it fly away? Let me try very heavily. One, two, three. It's not going anywhere. I really love it. Well, that's all about this SODI C50 MagSafe wireless charger. I've left a link of this product in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. If you're looking for a wireless car charger, then you should try this. I usually don't talk like this. I usually try to be neutral whether you wanna get or not, but this time it's so very different. I have tried many other MagSafe wireless car mounts and none of those has even came any close to this SODI C50. Yeah, that good it is. Period. That's the end of this video. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.